Well, I'm pretty excited. I have a new sketchbook. And I'll tell you what, I grab stickers and things along my travels, just have so much fun with it. This Strathmore Visual Journal they're my favorite. This one's the mixed media one. The other one that I really enjoy is the watercolor one. This one has more almost sketch type paper. It's nice, it's pretty thick. What do we have here? It is 100% cotton with a vellum finish, acid free. That's great. 90 pounds. Okay, 90 pounds tells how thick the paper is. And what that means is if you have 100 sheets, the full-size sheets of this type of paper, 100 sheets is going to weigh 90 pounds. The 300 weight watercolor paper, if you have 100 sheets of that, it's going to weigh 300 pounds. So that's what that number refers to. I'm looking at the tooth of this paper. It's a little different. This side is a little more natural and the back side is a little more smooth. But I'm going to add stickers to this while I'm on my travels. But to start out, I want to start with some of my favorites. Look at this, Maine. I'm going to put this on, and if I can get the sticker off the paper backing. This is fun. This way it becomes a memory book for me, and it travels with me as I go along. I also use a potter's rib. This is a fairly stiff one, just to start at the center and press the stickers out so they stay well adhered. That one doesn't show up very well, does it? But that's okay. Maine is my home state. All right, here I go. I'm going to add the others. Pretty excited. New sketchbook. Connections of my life. This is an LL Bean sticker where I get my coats and stuff. My Evergreen Credit Union. This, I love this crow by Jamie Wyeth. I got this at the Brandywine Museum. Love that. This is my favorite barbecue place in Asheville, North Carolina. The traditional state of Maine flag and my sticker with my QR code, which I just recently got. So I took one of my paintings, added a quote that I really like, and put my QR sticker on it, my QR code. So on the back, my niece and I met at the Roots Cafe in Maine. She has a place out on Cliff Island in Casco Bay in Maine, which is just wonderful. We get to go out and paint there. My sticker again, this is Len Libby's candy shop in Maine. Classic, still making handmade candy. And another LL Bean sticker, which ties in, the being outsider just totally ties in to plein air painting. Anyway, I don't know if it's going to last. Some things may come up. I'm excited. Now I can get into this and really start sketching and having a great idea. I can put notes, I can put on the inside cover, I can put more stickers there. I have about 4 of these now. These are my favorites, and I have a couple smaller size of the same notebook, that Strathmore sketchbook. That's my favorite. Fun. So excited. Don't forget to follow me, TravelingArtista, and sign up for my newsletter. I'm on my road trip pretty soon. I've started in Maine. I'm in Asheville, North Carolina. Then I'm heading out west to Reno, Nevada and the Great Plein Air Convention. Plein Air! And then up to Alaska for some workshops. Yay!